Hello guys, today I'm going to speak about listening section, and here we are going to discuss about certain tricks which will help you in achieving band 7, 8 or even 9 also. So without wasting much of our time, we should jump onto the topic. The first trick is to listen to BBC News as well as CNN News. Why I'm recommending you? Because it will make you quite compatible in British accent and American accent as well. Moreover, these news channels, they target most of the prevailing news all around the world, and they are conducting discussions involving people from all over the world. So listening to different languages, types of accents, it will make you quite compatible and quite competent vis-a-vis others. And second trick which I suggest you to take care is, while attempting your question paper, don't write your answers in small letters. You should write in capital letters. Like for example, if you are writing a noun, suppose my name Raman Kumar, you must write R capital and K capital. You can avoid also, instead of writing like this, you can opt for writing in capital letters all the answers. It will not attract any negative marking. And the third most important thing one should take care is about spelling. When you are writing, please write legibly and write correctly. When you are writing difficult words, it's better you should have practice at your home beforehand. When you are going for exam, you must have practice of difficult words or the complex words, so that you should not do this kind of silly mistake during the exam. And the fourth trick is to watch different movies with subtitles in English. It will give you an idea how the native speakers speak English language, and you will understand initially for those candidates who are not well versed with English. So they feel it quite easy to understand their language, and it again enhance their listening skills. And the fifth and last trick for listening is the practice. It is rightly said that the practice makes a man perfect. It's quite true in listening part, because as much as you practice, it will increase your band score. Uh, According to me, before going for exam, one should at least appear for 30 listening tests, and you can find colossal amount of information is available over internet. You can refer YouTube, but I should recommend that rather than because of authenticity, one should refer material from British Council books or IDB books. You can ask your friends to share online links. You will find ample of material available online, or you can download these books from internet. So with all these tricks, I'm sure that you are not only going to get band 7, you can even target band 8 or even 9 also. So these 5 tricks, I'm just repeating, briefing up the whole topic. The first one is basically listening to BBC and CNN News. You can listen to other news channels also, but I'm just sharing my experience, what I did. Second one is watch movies with subtitles. Third one, write in capital letters all the answers, or specifically note down if you are writing in small. Please take care about nouns and different grammatical errors you should not do. The last one is about spellings. You should take care about spelling, and of course the practice is the main concern while attempting for listen exam. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and like it. If you have any doubt, please make a comment. I will try to answer it in my other videos, and if require a particular one, any particular comment you have, I will definitely answer it by posting a separate video on it. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.